HandBrake installation demo. Open your browser and go to the HandBrake official download page. On the Downloads page, locate the installer for your operating system. Select the correct installer and begin the download. Verify the download has completed successfully. Navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded.exe file. In the Setup wizard, click Next to begin installation. Review the license agreement. If you accept, click Next. Choose the installation location. The default is usually acceptable. Click Install to begin installation. Once installation is complete, click Finish. To launch HandBrake, go to Windows search field, type HandBrake, and select the app. If prompted to install the .NET application, click Download it now in the pop-up dialog box. The .NET application will be automatically downloaded. Install the application from the Downloads folder. Close the Setup wizard once the .NET installation is complete. You can now open the HandBrake application from the Windows search field.